Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Coursera for certificate posts that attract hiring managers. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Join for Free button. Fill in your details to create a new account, or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, use the search bar to find courses relevant to your career goals. Select a course that offers a certificate upon completion. Review the course details including the syllabus, instructor credentials, and user reviews. Check if the course fits your schedule and learning style before proceeding. To enroll, click on the Enroll button. You will be prompted to choose between a free trial or an individual purchase for the certificate. If choosing a free trial, follow the instructions to set it up. For individual purchase, select the payment option that works best for you. Enter your payment information and confirm your enrollment. Once enrolled, access the course materials from your dashboard. Start with the introductory module to familiarize yourself with the course structure. Engage with the content by taking notes and completing exercises as you progress. Join discussion forums to connect with fellow learners and instructors. Ask questions if you encounter difficulties in any module. Upon completion of the course, make sure to pass any assessments required for certification. After successfully meeting all course criteria, your certificate will be available for download. You can share this certificate on your LinkedIn profile or other professional networks. Employers often look for evidence of continuous learning, so highlight your Coursera certificates in job applications. Integrate the knowledge gained from the course into your resume or cover letter to attract hiring managers. Stay on top of new courses related to your field to keep your skills sharp and relevant. Regularly update your skills to adapt to changing industry demands. This proactive approach will make you a more attractive candidate in the job market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.